Navien offers two point-of-use filtration systems for residential applications. The WUR500 Tankless reverse osmosis water filtration system is installed under the sink and features smart controls and a smart faucet. The space-saving tankless design allows for easy filter changes and delivers filtered water on demand at a fast flow rate. And the RO filter reduces total dissolved solids, or TDS, for cleaner, great-tasting drinking water. The system features a backlit smart control with filtration in action and filter replacement reminders, and a polished metal smart faucet with a real-time display of TDS levels and filter replacement reminder. The WUA500 carbon block water filtration system utilizes a high-quality carbon block to filter organic compounds and preserve beneficial minerals for improved taste and smell of water. It effectively reduces impurities, including emerging contaminants like pharmaceuticals, herbicides, and pesticides. And the built-in shutoff valve and easy turn handle make it simple to replace the filter cartridge. The system features a dedicated, stylish chrome faucet with real-time filtration indicator light and cartridge replacement alert. For a whole home, total water care system, pair the WUR or WUA with the point-of-entry WEC Tankless electric water treatment system. The WUR500 Tankless RO filtration system and WUA500 carbon block filtration system. The latest in water treatment innovation from Navien.